is Rebecca Kase, and I am so excited to be presenting at the 2024 EMDR Summit held in Bellevue, Washington. I'll be providing a 3-hour workshop on embodiment practices and EMDR therapy, and I am so excited to talk about this. I've been a practitioner of yoga since I was about 15 years old. I'm a registered yoga instructor, a yoga therapist. I'm a longtime student of Buddhism and mindfulness, and I use mind body techniques every day for my own personal journey and healing, and I use them every day with clients as well. I can't imagine practicing therapy or EMDR without embodiment techniques. In this workshop, we'll do a deep dive into what embodiment techniques are, and we'll explore the cultural heritage and lineage of several of these practices. We'll practice through experiential review and exercises, some of my go-to techniques that I use with clients on a regular basis, and that I even use for myself. You'll walk out of this workshop with a whole lot of new tools and skills in your toolkit that can help clients heal and to recover and reclaim their connection with their body and their true selves. Trauma is an experience of disembodiment. And so to heal and to reclaim our body and our minds and our hearts, we need mind-body embodiment practices and techniques to help get us there. So I hope that you'll join me in April of 2024 in Bellevue, Washington at the EMDR Summit. I will see you then.